Before we begin, please do not listen to this meditation while driving or operating heavy machinery. This experience is designed to guide you into a deeply relaxed and elevated state of being. Welcome, beautiful soul. You've arrived at the start of a brand new day. This isn't just any morning. This is your moment to align, to choose your frequency, to set the tone for your entire day, deliberately, powerfully, intentionally. This morning meditation is your sacred space to reconnect with your true self and to awaken the divine creator within you. Right here, right now, we activate your power to design your reality, not by force, but through energy, clarity, and intention. So find a comfortable seated or lying position. Allow your eyes to gently close. Let the outside world soften and begin to turn inward. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Inhale again. Hold. Exhale. This is the morning reset for your body, your mind, your heart, and your soul. Let your breath guide you into the present moment, the only place where true creation happens. The past is a memory. The future is a potential. But now is where the magic begins. Bring your awareness into your heart. Place your attention gently at the center of your chest. Begin to breathe a little slower, a little deeper, as if you're breathing in and out of your heart. Inhale into the heart. Exhale from the heart. Now activate an elevated emotion: gratitude, love, freedom, joy. Let this emotion rise, not just as a thought, but as a real feeling. Let it expand through your entire body, from your chest to your belly to your fingertips and toes. This is the frequency you are bringing into your day. You are becoming coherent. Your brain and heart are aligning. You are no longer reacting to the world. You are creating your world, starting now. Let's begin. I am the divine creator of my reality. Today, I choose wealth, joy, purpose, and peace. This is my frequency. This is how I begin my day. I am already living in the abundant reality I've imagined. I am open and receptive to all the prosperity the universe has prepared for me. I am in alignment with the frequency of abundance. My energy is magnetizing success. I am no longer tied to my past. I am a new being, living a new story of expansion. I am already feeling the joy of my abundant future. Right now, I am aligned with divine intelligence. I trust it to orchestrate miracles in my favor. I am gratitude. I am joy. I am love. I am abundance. I feel it now in every cell of my body. I am attracting prosperity from known and unknown sources with ease, with confidence. I am deserving of financial freedom, time freedom, and the fulfillment of my soul's desires. I am a vibrational match to abundance. I radiate the energy that calls wealth into my life. I am stepping fully into my power. I no longer accept less than what I am worth. I am a magnet for inspired ideas and aligned opportunities. I am walking confidently in the direction of my soul's calling. I am supported, guided, and protected by divine intelligence. I am in love with the person I am becoming. I am a clear channel for universal wisdom and creative flow. I am committed to living in harmony with my higher self. I am worthy of the love, success, and joy I desire. I am calm, grounded, and unshakably centered in abundance. I am activating a new level of wealth consciousness. I am surrounded by people who celebrate and elevate my success. I am releasing resistance and allowing abundance to flow freely to me. I am tuned into the frequency of miracles and breakthrough moments. I am becoming everything I once dreamed was possible. I am aligned with the energy of growth, expansion, and elevation. I am open to quantum leaps in my finances, relationships, and purpose. I am choosing joy, no matter the circumstances. I am fully present, fully alive, and fully worthy. I am the embodiment of clarity, confidence, and creative power. I am vibrating at the level of my greatest vision. I am the evidence of what's possible when energy leads the way. These are not just words. These are codes, neurological blueprints, designed to reprogram your subconscious mind and supercharge your day from the inside out. Feel them, believe them, become them. Let this be your energetic signature as you move through your morning. This is how you start your day in alignment, in truth, in creation. You are no longer defined by your past. You are defined by your vision. You are aligned with the intelligence of the universe, and it is delivering more than you could ever imagine. You are grounded in the truth that you are enough. From this truth, you create a life of peace, prosperity, and purpose. You are releasing fear, releasing doubt, releasing scarcity. You are open to miracles, breakthroughs, and divine synchronicities. You are the architect of your inner world, and so you become the master of your outer world. Now, visualize your abundant morning. What does it look like? Where are you waking up? What is surrounding you? What does your ideal morning feel like? See it, hear it, smell it, touch it. Let your mind rehearse the reality you are calling in. And the universe must respond. Now slowly return to your breath. Inhale, exhale. Feel your body. Feel the ground beneath you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Step into this morning as the version of you who already holds the vision. You are abundance. You are the signal. You are the creator.